patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession. Robskustoms. This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Today we got a Crown Vic. We're going to be doing a used sunroof install. Here's the sunroof. Here's the ride. We're going to be installing it, leaving the roof primered. Not the whole roof, but just the area around it. That's what it's looking like right now. Just black. So we're going to start by removing the headliner, getting it all prepped and ready for the bracket, cut out the hole, and then weld in the bracket. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the bracket welded in. I did put some edge primer on it. Here's the sunroof that's going to be going in on it. There it is, there's the hole. Bracket welded in. We're going to go ahead and fiberglass the top. Put some extra strength on it, block it flat, and then put a small light of filler. I'd rather go with the kitty hair more than the Bondo, because if you put straight Bondo it cracks. So you go with kitty hair. It's got the fiberglass strands in it, so it'll be a lot better and it'll be a lot more strength. All right, I'm gonna get the bodywork done, prime it, and then I'll get some more video of it all primed up, smoothed out. Then I'll go ahead and insert the sunroof, put it in, and since this one is a 4-door, I will be able to save the sunshade, what everybody's been wanting. But on single cabs you can't put this on or else it won't slide back because it's a single cab. But on the car I'd be able to save it, wrap it in some black fabric. That way he has his sunshade factory. Insert the 4 drains and then stick the headliner. Should be good to go. So, alright, I'm gonna get to the bodywork. Alright guys, bodywork's done. We're gonna go ahead and install the sunroof. Cut out the headliner. Cut out the headliner for the sunroof. Then we'll go ahead and take out the headliner and install the new fabric. Pop it back in, install the drains, power it up, put everything back. Should be ready to go. Alright guys, headliner is done. It's wrapped in black. It does have the cutout for the sunroof right here. You can see this will be cut out once it's inside the car and wrapped real clean. Man, I do need to cut out the hole here still for the button. So it's almost done. It's looking good. Sunroof's in. Now before I put it in, I do got to run the drain pipes and install the cover. Sunshade cover. Alright guys, install's done. Headliner's done. Did get a little late on me. But check it out. Came out real good. Plastics were already black, so we just swapped out the headliner. Check it out. Nice and clean. And he does get the shade because he's not doing doubles, so he has the room to slide that back. Came out real good. Well, there she is, guys. Another one done. Like I said, she did get dark on me. I have a light I'm using, so I get some video of it. She's looking good. She looks sporty now with that sunroof up. But that's gonna be it, guys. Another one done, another one in the books. Customers coming over here to pick it up. On to the next. guys.